back again with another video. This time I'm gonna be talking about my hair. Yesterday was New Year's Eve, and I actually like gelled it up into a ball, added some tracks, and I had a ball in my hair, like a bun in my hair. But I took it down last night, washed it to get all of the glue out, and I just slept on my hair. As you can see, it's all like just going straight up. But yeah, today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday puff with my hair. My hair was relaxed, but I was going natural, like transitioning for a year, and I recently cut my straight ends out, like some of my straight ends off, because I didn't want my hair to be too short. So I cut some of my straight ends off in April of 2018, and I cut all of the straight ends off. I lied. I cut my straight ends off sometime. I'm not really sure. Yeah, April. It was April, because then I got braids for my birthday, and when I took my braids down, I think June, I cut the rest off. So I've been fully natural since June. It's January now. My hair was about this high when I cut it all off. When I wet it, it was about this high. So I've grown about this much. So yeah. But anyway, I'm working on my growing my hair out journey. I have a goal, but I don't have a goal. I just know I want all of my hair that I did have, because I had really long, beautiful, relaxed hair. So I want to have really long, beautiful, really long, beautiful, natural hair when I flat iron my hair. And I want my natural hair, when it's natural, I want it to be long enough to just wear in a wash and go style. I can't wear my hair in a wash and go style, but I have a big head, so if my hair is not long enough to kind of minimize my head gonna still look big, and I ain't going for that. But yeah, we're just gonna get into the video. For this, you will need these some kind of some kind of brand, not necessarily the brand that I use. I'm still learning what my hair likes. I'm still learning that. I'm still learning the natural thing. I'm still getting the hang of it. I have a hang of it with the styling, but like what my hair likes and stuff like that, I don't really have the hang of it just yet. I don't really have a brand that I actually just like shampoo, conditioner, and all that kind of stuff. I don't really have a brand that I actually like. That's the part that I'm still learning. So yeah, in this video, when I do this style, I use a water bottle, unless my hair is freshly washed. If my hair is freshly washed, of course it's already wet, but as right now it's dry, so I'm gonna need water. I use the Thick and Full Plus Biotin and Collagen Weightless Healing Oil Treatment. I use this as oil. That's not my oil. That's just what I have for right now. I use a toothbrush for my edges. I use a wide tooth comb. I also use a demon brush, whatever. I also use a soft daily brush like this, just to like lay it down and get it really slick, because this brush is like a detangling brush, but this is like a lay down kind of brush. I use a pick for when I'm done. I try to like get my puff bigger. A band. I lost my band that's like broken. It's really long. I can do it like 2 times, get it really tight. I lost it. I'm still I'm still looking for that, so I'm just using these. This is like a fresh new one, so it's kind of tight. I also use the Eco Styling Professional Styling Gel. The stuff is kind of off of this. It's the Eco Styler Crystal Gel, and yeah, it just looks like this. It was $2.99, so yeah, it just looks like this. And I also, this is for my edges actually, and I use the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel Olive Oil, Max Hold 10 to lay my hair down all the way around the perimeter. I use this, and I'm also going to go in with the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula with Vitamin E Repairing Conditioner for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. Obviously my hair is colored, so I use this. I don't normally use this, but I'm gonna use this for right now because it's all I really have. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. So first things first, I'm going to actually pull this towel down and put this towel around me because I'm already dressed and I don't want to get myself too wet. But I have water in here that'll be enough. I just spray everywhere, all around the perimeter, in the inside. I don't get it like dripping wet, but I do get it damp enough to fool with it. And then I'm gonna go in with not a generous amount, but like a quarter size amount of this because it is yellow. So I use about this much and just put it all around my hair, focusing on the ends. I get the ends really good, and then I go around the perimeter. But as you can see, it's yellow. So yeah, well, it's kind of coming on white, yellowish. So I get it in real good, work it in real good. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with the Thick and Full Biotin plus Collagen oil. I don't take really much oil. I hate oil. I hate oil because when I was relaxed, oil weighed my hair down and it did not like bounce. So I hate oil. Oil on natural hair, honestly, don't do nothing to it. It don't make it like wet. It probably does weigh it down, but like your hair is natural, so you don't really know. But I just work that on in there. Just work that in, work it in. Work it in, work it in, work it in. And then I just start going in with my comb. Not really combing it out, but just trying to get it up into my puff shape. So yeah. Going natural is fun, but it is a lot of work. Relaxed hair, if you don't want to like do it, you can just put it in a ponytail, go on. But like natural hair, you can't do that. You gotta actually take some time and actually do something to it. And if you want to do a puff, it still takes you time. Like nothing is really quick with natural hair. I did detangle my hair last night, but I also slept on it, so it's nappy. Hope this puff cute though. So for the most part, I have the perimeter combed out. I do this to kind of test and see. So yeah, I have it. So now I just go into the Eco Styling Gel Olive Oil. I just go in there and just pack that gel on there. I don't really use much, but I get enough. So I got about this much on my brush, and I just go and put it on my hair and start laying it down. And it just starts to lay it down. Ooh, shit. now that I have that done, you can basically see my hair is like formed into a puff already. Grab my band and I actually put it all the way over my head onto my neck, lift it up over my ears, kind of pull my hair from up under it, and I just put it on my head right there, and I raise the back because I want the back to go up further than I want the front to go back, basically. So pulling the back up forms the bun, the puff on top of your head. Pulling the front back puts it like back there. So I didn't want it in the back, I wanted it on the top. So now I'm just pulling it out to form my puff, going in with the pick to pick it out, make it look fuller and bigger than what it is. Go all the way around, even to the back. So now what I'm gonna do is do my edges. I don't really, my hairline is kind of weird, so basically I can do something here and kind of over here, but like right there and right there I can't really do much because my hair kind of goes back and I don't really have that much hair right there. So I just do something really simple. Sometimes I may do the most, but most of the time I just do something simple. I just pull a few hairs down with my gel on my brush and form a little swoop, kind of line it off into my hair, something like that. Then I go and do the same thing to the other side. Of course, no edge, honestly, it's gonna look the same. So basically that's the first two ones, and I'll do something down here at the bottom. I don't really swoop or anything like that, I just do like that. Just make it look cleaner and like edges, I guess. And I drag it down to the very end to kind of give that a little swoop. I just do the same to the other side. So that's my edges. I also go in the middle and get this looking really clean and smooth, going into the puff. So then I just still pick it out and pull it out with my hands and stuff. So this is basically all I do for my puffs. If my hair is actually wet, the routine is kind of different. Not really. It's just when my hair is wet, it's like it's detangled, so it's not hard to like brush or whatever. It's already detangled. It don't take much to lay it down. I can actually wash my hair and make a puff without actually using Eco Styling gel because your hair is wet. It's like easier to like lay down or whatever, but when your hair is dry, you need to put something on it like a gel or something. But yeah, that's about it. This is the finished product look for my puff, my everyday routine for my puff. Some of my hair is just be coming out. The everyday routine for my puff. I hope this helped any of you ladies that are natural I'm gonna continue to make hair videos. I'm gonna continue to make makeup videos. I'm gonna bring guests into my videos. I'll do more, just everything. And I look forward to this YouTube journey with you guys. Thank you for subscribing. To the ones that have subscribed already, if you haven't, welcome to the fam. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, 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 subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.